I think if you added up all the different ways to make selections, my favorite would probably be channel selection. Now, it's been there the longest, and I've used it a lot, and in the right circumstances can produce some pretty cool stuff. Open up this document right here, Horsey. Now, in Horsey, I want to select the sky and change the sky. That could be accomplished in a lot of different ways. I want to show you channel selection. Go into your channels. You've got a red and a green and a blue. Look at each one and ask yourself the question, which one gives you the best shift between light and dark, between what you want and what you don't want? In this case, and actually in many cases, it will be blue. We have a good outline against the sky. Make a copy of it. All you got to do is make a copy. Drag it down the new icon. Once you have the copy, select the copy. Go to the word image and go down to adjustments and select threshold. What threshold does is it splits the image into the components of black and white. And what we can do here is move the slider backward and forward. Now, all I'm trying to get here is an edge, something like that. See the edge up there? What I'll do now is click OK. Pick up black as my painting color. Pick up my paintbrush tool. And I want to fill in all the areas that I do not want to be part of the sky. So you're kind of masking this out. You can use maybe even a little bit of a bigger brush if you want to get the job done quicker. What we're looking for is the sky to be white and everything else to be nice and pretty and black, including those barns. So take your time. You've got the edge. Don't worry about that. What we're going to do is just keep painting until we have everything done except that sky. All the areas around the pine tree over there on the left, everything is exactly the way we want it. Now, let's go back to RGB. Hold down the Control key and click on Blue Copy. And that will make it a beautiful, perfect selection. We'll go back into Layers. Now, we want to keep the grounds. So what we're going to do is inverse the selection. That's Select Inverse. Just like that. Now, come down here and click this button, which of course is for a layer mask. And we have that area masked out. Let's do this. Go back to Bridge. In Bridge, open up Magic Wand because there's something in there we can use. Go into Magic Wand, turn off Great Pyramid. We have a nice sky we can try out here. Pick up the Move tool, grab it, and drag it up to Horsey. Pull it in and let go. Now, it won't be as big, that's fine. Press Control-T, that's the shortcut for Free Transform. And let's go ahead and see if we can stretch this thing out some to make it fit. And maybe make it a little bit taller so it won't look so elongated. Something like that. Double click, put it in position, and then move it underneath. Now check that out. That is a perfect selection around every branch, around every leaf, around the vents on the tops of each one of these barns. Channel selection, when it's used correctly, can make very complicated selections very easy by creating a mask of the information. All you have to do is choose the right channel. I kind of call it 3 strikes and you're out. Red, green, and blue. It won't always work, but when it works, it is awesome. On to the next.